Hey growers, welcome back to Grower Today. In today's video, we're answering a common question: how to care for succulents in winter. Time to prepare your succulents for winter, and your succulents need a special kind of care to survive the cold months. Are you ready to keep them thriving? First, bring your succulents indoors before temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. Most succulents can't handle frost and need a warm, bright spot inside. Inspect your plants for pests like spider mites or mealybugs before bringing them in. Treat any infestations to keep your home pest-free. Reduce watering significantly. In their dormant state, succulents need far less water. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so let the soil dry out completely between waterings. Ensure your succulents get enough light. Place them near a south-facing window, or use a grow light to mimic natural sunlight and prevent legginess. Control indoor humidity. Succulents prefer dry air, so keep them away from humid rooms and heating vents to maintain a balanced environment. Skip fertilization during winter. Your succulents aren't in their active growth phase and don't need extra nutrients until spring. For hardy outdoor succulents, use frost cloths or old bed sheets to protect them from frost. Mulching around the base can also insulate the roots. Watch for pests regularly. Indoor succulents are more prone to infestations, so check for signs like small webs or sticky residue and treat promptly. By following these simple steps, your succulents will not only survive, but thrive through the winter, ready to grow again in spring. Keep your green thumb strong. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gardening tips.